Hello, video report for the week 2. My track is a Java backend. Here's my GitHub repo. The branch name is week 2. So let's get to the Smile file. On this week, I focused on elaborating my connection within the data between the database and application. I created a raw SQL file within the descriptions of my tables, and instead of using the Hibernate to let it create my tables, I used the liquid base to do this task. This means every environment gets the same schema and its version control. Here you can see in a YAML file, liquid base is enabled. And the Hibernate is a validate. Then I created the enums. Here them are. I also take into account the physical status of the seats. For example, is it active, broken, is it available or booked, and so on. Then we move to the entity classes. Here them are. Each entity is connected the same, how we could say, same structure. One cinema, many hall, one hall, many seats and sessions. So that's many to one connection here. That, how we can say, avoids unnecessary database queries. So then there's 8 GPA entities that are created using Spring Database. And what I used? Spring Data GPA and Anvarbek. Here is it. My database is working here. Every table is visible, and this is to end for a week 2. I next week I try to elaborate my database. Thank you.